How to permanently share your location on your iPhone. Open your Google Apps, then make sure you are login with your Google account. Press on Google account, press on location sharing, then you can see your current location. Press on new share. Now here you can see share your real-time location. Now you can share until you turn it off. Then if you press on share, but you can see share option is not available. In this case, go to your setting and scroll down and go to your apps, and under apps find the Google map, this one. Now press on location and select it's always. Now go back to your Google map again. Now if you press on again, you have to close these apps and run it again, and then you can see. Now you have to press on more option, then you can see lot of option. Simply press on any person, then if you press on share, then your location will be shared with this person. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.